This is the first person shooter game. It's actually a very simple game, and the purpose of the whole build is basically to show all that we've learned all through the semester, begin the spring semester. It's actually a game that showcases all that we've learned, like I said, in last semester, beginning from modeling environments using SketchUp and all that. This whole environment was actually modeled using SketchUp. And also, SketchUp was actually used in modeling the entire whole environment. And then secondly is the gaming engine is the Unity gaming engine. And then the programming language we used is C#, which is an object-oriented programming language similar to Java and the likes of other programming language. So the idea behind the whole project is to show what we've learned, like I said, the first-person controller. You can see the shooter. The shooter is the first-person controller. And then there is an enemy system, the weapon system, the health system. And then there's some form of interactivity in the game in that if you look at the enemies don't start moving towards the shooter until the shooter is certain meter, until the shooter moves certain meter close to the enemy. So you would also notice that the shooter can actually change its weapon, can upgrade its weapon. And then there's actually a health system to show reduction in health as he encounters the enemy. And there's an armor system as well. And then what the armor system does is it shows the armory or the armor, the number of bullets he has as he encounters the enemy. That's all the game is essentially about.